Now that you have completed your session, I would like you to think of a time in the future that the same thing may happen. Just think of a time in the future you could find yourself having the same experience. What is happening there? Is there anyone else there? What sounds do you hear? Is there anything being said? What do you see in your mind's eye? And if you don't see anything in your mind's eye, that's okay. Just notice whatever pops to mind. And as you notice what comes to mind of what could happen in the future, and as you think about that experience happening then, I want you to measure just as you have learned to do. From 0 to 10, whatever pops to mind of how bad you would feel about that experience. And write your results down on your results sheet.